Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. I'm going to do the first startup of the V10 to Cummins. Wait for the wait to start light to go out. Train's temp light stays on because I haven't got all that hooked up. Carries real good oil pressure. Yeah, she runs out real well. Got quite a few things still to do to her. Told you the wiring would look better. Just wanted to give you all a start up. Let you see what she looks like. Putting her all back stock. Doing a few things here and there. Different turbo. Looking real good. Looking real good. Looks a lot better over here with this old Cummins in here than that V10. Gotta like that. Gotta like that. Yeah, get the rest of the stuff on here, and here right shortly this old booger will be ready to go home. Well, you all have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see you around. I think I'm gonna go mow lawn. Thank you very much. Bye.